My name is Amy Acker. I'm the Pediatrics Program Director from Queen's University. This research project came about by examining our application process for CARMS. We wondered if there was a way to gather richer information about potential candidates. In 2013, we asked candidates to provide one reference letter written by a person who knew them well, outside of the clinical or medical context, noting their attributes that would make them a good pediatrician. The purpose of our study was to examine the value added by the inclusion of these non-medical reference letters. We developed an audit tool to review the letters, to examine the range of relationships to candidates reported, the duration of interactions, and examples of intrinsic CanMEDS roles. Reference letters written by physicians were compared with those written by non-physicians. In this poster, we present preliminary results for a subset of 24 letters, 16 medical and 8 non-medical letters for 8 candidates. In terms of the relationships of referees to candidates, 13 of the 16 medical letters of reference were written by clerkship supervisors. Of the 8 non-medical letters, 5 were written by supervisors or coworkers, 1 by a friend, 1 by a mother of a child recovering from a brain tumor, and the final by an undergrad psychology professor. In this preliminary analysis, only 1 medical letter of reference reported a longitudinal relationship with a candidate as a research supervisor. In contrast, most non-medical referees reported long-standing relationships ranging from 9 months to 19 years. With regard to CanMEDS roles, all non-medical referees reported on communication and professionalism. A half reported on collaborator and scholar, and nearly 2/3 reported manager qualities. Most medical referees commented on a candidate's experience as communicator, collaborator, scholar, and professional. However, only 3 out of 16 mentioned health advocate or manager. To summarize, non-medical referees in our subsample had established long-term relationships with candidates that enabled them to speak meaningfully to a candidate's potential in many of the intrinsic CanMEDS domains. The inclusion of the non-medical reference letters has been positively received by our selection committee, so further analysis is merited. Our next steps include expanding our review and conducting a more comprehensive analysis of specific examples provided within the letters of reference.